Regardless of how you feel, the Chiefs are back in the Super Bowl and there's nothing you can do about it. Make these Jamaican jerk chicken wings for your Super Bowl party coming next week. I already have another jerk wing recipe up on the website. This one is a grill fried edition. Brine your chicken using the Jamaican jerk marinade and some pickle juice overnight. Use your favorite store-bought batter mixture that is not seasoned, just so you can add some more of that dry jerk seasoning to it. If you want to get that dry jerk seasoning, it's available up on my website in my store. And if you subscribe to my newsletter, I will send you that Jamaican jerk marinade straight to your email. Now for the wings, you're going to cook them in the Weber kettle using the vortex or any other method you got. You just want high heat. Cook them for 20 minutes and then you're going to brush them with some oil or spray them with your favorite aerosol oil. Then you're going to cook them for another 20 minutes. After 40 minutes in high heat, your wings should be done. Then you can sauce them up if you want. Make sure you check out the full recipe up on my website and make sure y'all hitting that subscribe button. Follow for more.